like
But he's been a great son first also. He's always looked after me, my health, anything, He's always there, standing by. And in the hospital also, he used to sleep there with me. When I was there in the hospital. So, what more you want here? Actor, so he's improving, he's become what you want, he can give you that. Oh, theek hai. But as a father, if I tell you, I mean, everybody should have a son like that.
like me and Rohit.
Yeah, my other son, both of them.
I think
But I think, chalo, this is a comedy film. We want people to laugh. I think so. I think there's one man who always makes me laugh, Manish Paul. Can we please have him on stage? Before we go ahead, my chacha is in the audience. Mr. Anil Dhawan, the legendary Anil Dhawan is here. He's the fittest Dhawan, like I say, the fittest Dhawan. चाचा आपको अगर आपके छोटे भाई से कुछ
मैं अगर आज इस लाइन में हूँ, I have come here because of him. He is the main reason of me sitting here, and because of me, he is here. So it is always like that.
we are all there because
मैं
of
वही
my
सोचता
chacha.
था, अगर अनिल भाई साहब फिल्म लाइन में नहीं आते, कहीं और काम कर रहे हो, तो मैं भी वहीं कहीं काम कर रहा होता. So just see the credit, what he came, he struggled, and that's how.
But I know he's a certain age right now. He's not at the age that we can give him advice. But there's one man who can give him advice. That's Mr. Anil Dhawan.
Yeah.
If someone can give my chacha the mic, chacha, any advice you want to give your younger brother? कुछ रोहित मेरे को बहुत एडवाइस देता है तो
नहीं एडवाइस तो मैं नहीं दूंगा बट ऑलवेज आई ट्रीटेड हिम लाइक अ चाइल्ड मगर बड़े होने के बाद ही वाज वेरी पॉजेसिव ऑफ मी एंड हमेशा ये ख्याल रखेगा कि मैं ठीक हूँ मेरे को ये चाहिए ये मिल गया यहाँ बैठना है ये करना है वो करना है तो मैं उसको बोलता हूँ मैं जब तुम्हारे नज़दीक होता हूँ तुम कंफर्टेबल क्यों नहीं होते हो तुम मेरे बारे क्यों हमेशा तुम फिक्र करता रहेगा अभी भी वहाँ बैठे बैठे ही विल बी थिंकिंग वेयर आई एम ओके एंड वी हैड अ लवली रिलेशनशिप कमाल की रिलेशनशिप रही है हमारी साथ में और लाइक अ चाइल्ड स्कूल में हम लोग दोनों कॉलेज में भी साथ में थे एंड he made lovely films कुछ कई फिल्मों में मैंने इसके साथ काम किया and I was all through my life very busy doing lovely films. I did a lot of films in the cinema. I have completed 56 years in cinema and still I'm working at this age.
And whenever I have a fight with him, कुछ बात में discussion होता था, I used to tell him, I'm 74 and you know me from 74 years.
Yes.
Do you know anyone? Your wife, your children, anyone? Me.
He was very caring. He's very possessive of me, and I have to be very away from him. मैंने कहा तू comfortable रहा कर. I'm okay, lovely, and we both enjoyed. We had a lovely inning, both of it in the cinema. Thank you. God bless you.
I have a question.
really fantastic trailer. पहले डेविड सर, I have to ask you, this is fantastic, but does your son कोई wish list देता है आपको? मुझे ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए. मैं एक्शन स्टार, कॉमेडी स्टार, every kind of star आपकी पिक्चर में मुझे बनना है because it's always so fantastic. So well done on the trailer, sir. Congratulations. But इनकी कोई wish list आती है आपको always?
He tries to better the scene also.
Yeah.
He gives me everything what I want. But he does argue. Every actor has to argue.
Yeah. From the first film to the fourth film, has the argument increased or decreased?
No. He takes care of my health more in the film.
No, but first off, thank you to the media. आप लोग फिर से आए हमारे लिए, so thank you. And thank you सारे जो fans थे, आप लोग भी फिर से आए, तो thank you. हम लोग यहाँ सिर्फ आपके वजह से and genuinely thank you to the media क्योंकि आप 2 बार आए and हम सबको पता है मुंबई की गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसलिए thank you, I love you too. इसलिए आप सबको फास्ट एंड अप मिलेगा और एक फ्री आईफोन रमेश जी से.